binabagbaga nila kay ko. Okay, what is that, Labs? The one you watch in, Couple? Is that Kuya Jake?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, he's a he's American and his wife is a Ilocana in Pangasinan, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, what he said.
Oh, he answers his wife's questions.
Oh, what is?
Yes, I love you. Yes, no, I'm not gonna leave you. No, I don't need no other Filipina girlfriend or whatever.
So you
Whatever else he says.
So you relate?
Huh?
You can relate.
Yeah, evidently. You guys ask all the same fucking questions.
Of course, we want to make sure that you're not
Make
changing.
sure we're married to you, so why does it matter?
Yeah,
We're
but
married.
yeah.
Oh, we're married.
Yeah.
Oh, we're
Yeah.
not married.
Yeah.
Evidently, we chose you because
But
we're married to you.
married. But
Married.
Loves, what if you change? I'm just making sure that you don't
Upgrade.
change. Upgrade? Are you going to upgrade your wife?
No.
Okay, Nina, don't change.
What do you say, babe? No.